Tired of stubborn makeup? Meet Neutrogena Makeup Remover Wipes, your new best friend. Reason 1. Removes waterproof makeup in just one easy, gentle swipe. Reason 2. Alcohol-free, plant-based, and kind to sensitive skin and eyes. Reason 3. Compostable wipes biodegrade in 35 days. Beauty meets sustainability. Say goodbye to dirt, oil, sweat, and even pollution with zero residue. No rinsing needed. Perfect for busy days, travel, or post-workout refresh. Dermatologist and ophthalmologist tested for a worry-free, skin-loving experience. Each twin pack includes 50 ultra-soft wipes for everyday skincare convenience. Feel refreshed, nourished, and clean with Neutrogena's micellar-infused emollient formula. Ready to simplify your beauty routine? Click now to grab your twin pack. Don't wait. Treat your skin and the planet with Neutrogena Makeup Remover Wipes. Your skin deserves this. Order today and experience effortless, eco-friendly cleansing. Find the product link in the description.